Hey guys, welcome back to Charisma TV. Today I recorded this classic fall makeup look. You know, the classic YouTube terminology of what fall makeup looks like. This is the first fall look that I wanted to create. Essentially, I just wanted to sit down and try out some of the products that I hauled about 2 weeks ago. I'll leave the haul down below in case you're interested. And after playing with the stuff, this is a look that I got, so I incorporated the new stuff with some of my old favorites for this time of year. And if you're interested to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so yeah, I have on this shirt. It's kind of fall varsity, that classic maroon. I just hope I don't mess it up because I know myself. So this is some moisturizer because you know that's what you gotta do. So I'm using the Revolution one. This is eyebrow. This is a classic, the NYX eyebrow gel. It's the only eyebrow gel that I use right now because I guess for me it's easy access. I still do have the Anastasia one, but that one is expensive. After I do let it sit to dry for a bit, I'm going to go to primer, which I'm using this. Y'all never seen me use this before, but that's because I don't really post like I should, but I use this a lot. I use this over the summer when I'm back in the Caribbean, back in Tatola. So I'm using Revolution Pro, and this is in the shade dark brown. I ordered this recently, and I'm using my favorite eyebrow brush. This is the BH Cosmetics V10. That's about it. Like, I just fill in the end mostly and then bring whatever left over to the front. And then the biggest part that makes my eyebrows look finished is when I put some concealer around it. Then take a little loose powder, my classic favorite. This y'all tired of seeing this, but and I'm setting the concealer because I will use this to set my concealer anyway. This is my beauty product of the month. Beauty product of the month. Beauty product of the month. If y'all saw on my Instagram page, this Violet Boss palette is my beauty product of the month. I haven't English beauty product of the month. This is y'all Sophia. She comments on me, she subscribed to my channel. She showed me the funniest thing is to watch my videos with the captions on. Guys, it's the funniest thing ever. Like, it'd be like, wow, I don't know what I'm really saying. But anyway, I think it's worth it. I haven't used it yet. But we go, oh, this is a mirror? This is a mirror. This what? But yeah, today we're gonna put like a classic fall look. So, okay, what I'm gonna do? This is the game plan for now. I'm gonna start with the shade hustle, put her like on the whole lid, and then walk the crease. Then put Solve in the transition. I want the look to be very matte, so we'll see. That's a game plan for now. It's not even orange. It's like, it's weird because things always look like one way in the pan, and then on my skin tone they look different. So this isn't even orange anymore. This is almost like still orange, but like a burnt tan almost kind of color. Maybe I might think it's be using enough, but I don't think it'll ever be orange. It's not like a bright orange, it's tan. What? You see, none of these colors are actually like maroon, and that's not the palette's fault, that's not my fault. So what we gonna do though? What we really gonna do? Boss. Let's go with boss first, and then to the underneath there. I don't know if these brushes doing what I need them to do, you know, because I feel that the eyeshadows are fine, but these brushes are kind of big. I put this color shade Boss though, and it's like I'm not seeing a difference. I'm getting frustrated. But I mean, this palette is supposed to be a really good palette. That's what's kind of getting me confused. My eyes always look different. Like, y'all see me do the same steps, right? And they look different. How though? Oh. So I'm gonna take the shade Strong now, and it's weird because this is the darkest shade, but I'm gonna take the shade Strong and put it over my whole like lid to cover the whole surface area. But this shade looks almost purple. This shade is purple. This shade's gonna be purple. I put down this color, I put it down, I'm committing. So I put down this shade, and then I'll walk in reverse. Instead of going from light to dark, I'll go from dark and then diffuse this color to make it light. It's kind of purple, not really maroon, but I feel like if we get a transition together, why am I saying we as if we're in this together? We're all in this. No, we're not. Come on, guys, calm down. But I actually like how it's packing up. You see YouTubers, they'll show you this patch and they'll just be like, oh my god, the pigment one swipe. Then how it go, fam? Then how it go? I got a blending brush, and then I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna take the shade Snatched, just this one, and then go between the transition and the thingamajig, you know what I'm saying? So this is shade Snatched, and we're going around the edges. Oh, it's gonna rain, guys. It's gonna get really dark. It's gonna get really dark. Ooh, that is a British autumn for you guys. By the way, autumn is not as vampy as they make it seem here to me, because it's so yellow outside. Like outside, all the trees are turning yellow. Nothing's brown or dark like how the movies and these booty gurus be making you feel. It's not like that. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put more of this strong shade down. Because some of it kind of moved when we were blending just now, which is with any eyeshadow Real True Matte Healthy Luminous Makeup in the shade C6 Soft Sable. It's a cool undertone, it's very yellow. It's got light coverage foundation, so you kind of have to build it up. So this is Laura Mercier concealer, the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in the shade 4N. Guys, I'm not saying anything, but yep, I'm actually very good at like picking complexion shades for myself. Why is the one like that? It's like the one is thin like this, and I do have a Primatte concealer like that. But that's a Primatte concealer. Like, I didn't pay $30 for that concealer. I paid £2 for that other concealer. And this brush for concealer is a game changer. It just makes any coverage concealer seem full coverage. It's just the best thing. Like, you have so much control of it, like where it goes. Like, girl, like you could keep exactly the concealer where you want the concealer to be. And it's like, wow. Going to set this concealer one time, like Sacha Buttercup powder, because that's how I would do anyway. Then dust off this, and wipe this off from here. This concealer looks nice. Oh, put in other places that I had a concealer in the first place. This concealer is doing something. This is a part of my makeup routine that I always do, but I always know if I mess up my makeup when I'm done. Like, so I don't know why I even do it, but who don't hear this feel. So I'm gonna take this foundation stick from Black Opal to the sides of my forehead, the side right here, and I'm using this small L stippling brush. This small brush is my favorite thing to use to blend out highlights and contour, but I only have one, so today's gonna have to blend out contour. And like when I get my contour done good, it looks like that. Not perfect, but ooh, we got a cheekbone. This cheek always looks fine. This cheek is a problem, and the sun has gone down. Ooh, the Sephora Micro Smooth, and this is an oldie. Not really an oldie. Like, people just get on this, but I've been on this powder for years. This is my second powder. So yeah, for years, that's my second powder. It be lasting forever because you don't need a lot of it. But I thought, I forgot I used so much. Oh no, oh no. And this powder has some good pigment to it. This powder has excellent pigment to it, I should say. That was just 35 cents, I blew away. With the color Strong, which is a purple right here to the end. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, that concealer though. I'm concerned about that concealer because I said that and it still is a little wrinkly under there. It's not creasing, but it's like, my eyes look a lot more wrinkly than they usually do. I mean, I'm old, but I didn't think I was that old. Like this one from the same Philly collection, go and serve and then kind of like smoke that out so it's not too precise. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to post up when I come around, but now you just stop. And as you stretch your hands out, you're keeping me. I need an inner corner highlight. What am I doing? I am playing myself and the church if I don't look in a corner, but for some strange reason I feel like I need an orange or something. That one right there with a little fingerprint in it, it's been tempting me. So I'm gonna take the same shade I pick up the orange with Swell Fuss, and I'm gonna place her right in the middle of my eyeball. Her right there. Child, 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 child. Ooh, ooh. I'm digging that. I mean, y'all can't really tell, but child, God is working. Oh my God. Won't it do it? This is the Essence eyeliner. I don't do eyeliner very well, so I just try to go for a straight line, and this makes a straight line very easy because look at the tip. It's super thin, and it's got a little curve, so if you want to get a little flicker, it'd be good, but I'm putting up the music so I can do the line, and then it's gonna be small. Don't judge me. I'm not a beauty guru. Time to get some eyelashes. You know, the Wilco lash, because I'm not good at lashes, so I'm not gonna chuck that a whole bunch of money on something I'm not good at. So these are like £2. I don't have a technique to put them on. I try to get them as close. I try to keep them on that black line, and I put it from the out to the in, right from the in to the out, because to me I prefer to see it really full flutter to the end and light inside than to be full in here and then nothing out there. That's just my logic. It might not be yours, but that's what I do, in case you're wondering. And that's wow, that lash is wow. But that lash went on pretty nice. Like what? Oh yeah, it done. I know my friend Rolia, girl, you be mad, but that's how they went on. All I'm missing is the lip. I don't have any maroon lips like this, so I'm gonna have to like mix some shades. It's a pigmented pencil. Outside is kind of. Why do people try to talk when they put on lip liner? I'm just shut up. Listen to the music or something. Lip a bit. Have a bit of stick to it. Interesting. It's quite shimmery, but I'm gonna use it as like a bronzing shade almost. And see what it looks like. I've never done this before, but I already have like the contour base, so I don't need to really care about bronzer per se because I already have something doing that for me. So just a little of this. It's gonna become my skin a bit more glowy up there, but should be fine. And I'm going to use the same brush, brush for blush, and I want like a kind of like that color I have going right now there. Naturally, I'm going to take. Honestly, I should have stopped right there. I should have stopped. What am I gonna do? Here, I think I usually this is my safe shade in this palette. Ooh, this was oh no, guys, I messed it up. I messed it up with the blush. I should have just left it how it was. I was so, why is everything just falling? See, that's the look. That's this idea that the look is falling apart right now. But I'm gonna put a lip. I'll put on a lip. Do I go classic with the MAC? Cause I feel like I really liked how the look looked without the blush. Even with other highlights, I think was fine, to be honest. I think the blush kind of took away from the whole vibe that I had going on. So yeah, that's the end of this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, there was some things I had to play around with. And speaking of playing around with, I'm trying to figure out the concept or the idea of how I want to do my makeup videos or beauty videos on my channel. So this video is a bit more thought through, and then sometimes I have more voiceovers. If you have a preference, let me know. I'll try to mix them up as I go along, because I have 2 more fall looks that I want to do. One is the everyday fall makeup, or basically my everyday routine right now, and the other one is something that's really inspired by fall, oranges, pumpkin, that type of look, that type of vibe, maybe some blue even, or turquoise, how you put it. And was that even English? Probably wasn't. But if you're interested in seeing any of those looks, let me know. Subscribe and hit the notification bell or not. Live your best life, do you. But until next time, you guys have been watching Caris Marie TV. Until next time.